Okay, so let's take a look at the pattern Hwarang Hyung. Okay, this pattern starts from a close stance between knife hand low, like so, with left hand over right. Okay, so it starts off shifting into a sitting stance, Palmheel cross block, punch, punch. Shifting into a back stance, square block. Bring your left hand down, left fist down, reverse upset punch. You reach out, lunge punch. Step back into a tighter stance, downward knife hand strike. Then you're going to step through and do a lunge punch. Okay, that's the first section. I'm going to do it from the side. Actually, I'm going to do it from over here. Okay. Starts from twin knife hand low, shifting into a sitting stance, palm heel cross block, punch, punch, shifting into a back stance, square block. Bring your left fist down, upset punch, lunge punch, step back into a tighter stance, downward knife hand strike, and then step through and do a final lunge punch. Okay, that's the final first section of the pattern while young.